Hi guys, have you traded Boom 200 before? Boom 200 is one of the best assets on deriv. All right, I've been trading it for a while now and it's really profitable. So look at this signal that I gave to the people, to my VIPs. Today, you can see our entry down there. All right, our entry, and we just smashed the first TP. Just smashed our first TP and we have a second TP up here. All right, that was simple, pretty simple. So as usual, I will show you my reasons for this trade. Trust me, if you keep watching my videos from beginning to the end, you'll be able to do this stuff yourself. Every day you watch my videos, you get better every day. So my reasons for this trade. On the daily time frame, I started seeing the weakness. What's the weakness I'm seeing here? I see that the daily time frame rejected already from this key level, right here and this level right there, and close above the levels. That shows weakness. That's bearish weakness. That shows weakness. That shows that buyers are in charge. All right, so because buyers are in charge, the next thing for me to do is should be looking for buying opportunity. But then I have to wait for market to get to a key level. Where is the key level? This level here that you see market reverse from before. You can see this level on the daily time frame. That is my key level right there. And again here market reversed around this price. So it's a very strong level on the chart. Okay, it's a strong level on the chart. So if you jump on it, it's likely gonna, rally to your targets. So that's why I know that markets will want to bounce off that key level again today for the next push. So after doing that, remember we have a key level here. We have market rejected. This candle still rejected and closed very weak, and which shows that identified that buyers are more in the market at the moment. And then today's candlestick dropped into the key level again and started rejecting. So let's quickly check the 4 hours time frame. What happened on the 4 hours time frame? So on the 4 hours time frame, we have here, you can see right there that we started having this push, this rejection, another rejection, another rejection, and another rejection. This was a clean confirmation because this one rejected and closed bullish. That shows that we are done with the continuation, with sell continuation. Markets will be pushing up. All right, so that was a good confirmation, and 4 hours really make it easy for me, very possible for me to know that it's ready to move. Then after doing that on the 4 hours time frame, I had to quickly check the lower time frame, smaller time frame, the 1 hour time frame to see if it is completely set to move. Okay, it's set to move. So on the very lower time frame, I saw that market started giving us, there was a breakout here, a change of character right here. Markets gave us a lower low, lower high, a failure swing, and a break of structure, a change of character. Market gave us this high, higher than this one and this one. Then we had to wait for a pullback into this level. Market started showing us this strong push, and which is the confirmation. So we entered somewhere here at first. The market started coming down. I had to open on our position when it started spiking. You can see we are soaked in profits, guys. As simple as that. As simple as that. Though there's some other things you need to know, but if you can watch my videos from more of my videos, you'll be able to do this stuff yourself. Or if you want to join the academy, you're looking for a place that can teach you how to trade, even if you don't have any knowledge at all about trading, you're just new into trading, you're looking for someone that can teach you every day. Yesterday we had a session, day before yesterday we had a session, tomorrow we'll be having another session. So don't miss joining our classes. Okay, so if you're looking for where you can learn, even as a newbie, you don't even know anything about trading, be it currency, synthetic indices, crypto, I'm always there to teach you, to show you everything you need to know about trading. I will guide you through from the scratch, from the beginning to the end. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. I still have VIX 25 that has been running for days now. I think 4 days now. Let's check on the daily. 4 days now. So we enter from here. So we're swinging, we're working on swinging on trades because currency signals will be coming back to back, and everything that has to do with currency will be coming back to back, will be mining gold very soon. So this is where we started entering to 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th day. So it's 4 days now. We've been holding this trade. So we want to be holding position for a long time and swing. It's more profitable. That's what we're looking at. So I'm building this and working on my psychology to see how we can swing trade. So we can see our target pretty fast. So it might take us more than a week to hit that level. It might take us more than a week to hit that level. It's pretty far. So that's it, guys. Then I'm still looking at buying boom 1000. Let me see what is happening now. Ooh, let me see if it has spiked. No. So I'm looking at buying. You can see I set my set limit, my pending order right there, buy limit right there. So I'm looking to buy it around this green zone, this green box here. But that's why I'm setting my buy limit in case it drops in. I will be able to see on the positions are opened. It will be showing so that I can follow up the trade. So that's what I do mostly so that I don't forget or miss a setup. Okay, so I think that will be all for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video to this end. And if you join the academy or chat me up, if you check this description to chat me up, I'll give you a discount for watching this video to this end. Chat me up for your discount, special discount, be it signal discount or mentorship. Let's watch this video, learn and grow together. God bless you.